Cuba.
Oh, not Canada. New York.
I did not knew that Cuba is that big. I thought it is smaller.
I thought the same. No.
Iowa, Illinois, Georgia. So many big states. They don't even have small states. Uruguay.
I've never heard even. Huh? Have you heard this?
Uruguay.
Ah.
Yes, I've heard this country. Hey guys, it's the Loud Guys. Today we are going to watch US state size compared to countries. And you know, this is a very interesting topic because normally what we see is countries are normally compared to each other, that India is the 7th largest country and this and the other way around. But the thing is, like, you never compare the states to a country because normally it is expected that the other countries will be bigger. But now there is a comparison, but we know that Texas is very very big. I don't know the actual size, but we know Texas is very very big. So let's watch the
Video.
Singapore. Oh, Rhode Island is so big than Singapore.
Oh.
Delaware, Connecticut, even they all are big than Singapore.
New Jersey. Oh.
New Hampshire, wow. All these states are big. Israel,
Israel.
oh,
Oh,
Massachusetts is bigger than Israel.
Hawaii.
Hawaii is bigger.
Oh. Belgium.
Belgium,
Maryland. Oh.
Switzerland, West Virginia. Okay, I can understand European countries.
They're smaller, right?
Austria, yeah, some countries are small. Maine. But these states are also smaller.
Indiana.
Wow. US is very, very big.
Very big.
Tennessee. Portugal.
Oh.
Oh, wow, Portugal is that small?
Oh God. Ohio.
Wow.
Pennsylvania.
I would like this for India too.
Yeah. Mississippi.
Crazy. Louisiana. Alabama. Arkansas. Most states are bigger. What is this?
That was Cuba.
Cuba.
Oh, not Canada. New York.
I did not knew that Cuba is that big. I thought it is smaller.
I thought the same. No.
Iowa, Illinois, Georgia. So many big states. They don't even have small states. Uruguay.
I've never heard even. Huh? Have you heard this?
Uruguay.
Ah.
Yes, I've heard this country.
I've not heard.
It's but I thought it's bigger. Oklahoma. Oh.
We like the names. North Dakota.
Wow. How?
Washington.
184,000 square kilometer. My God. That is too much. Every state has a very big long drive. Nebraska. 200,000 kilometers square. Wow. That's too much.
The three
Idaho.
states.
Utah. Oh, it's getting bigger and bigger. Even United Kingdom.
Oh my God.
These guys ruled the world at one time.
How?
They are smaller than American states and they were colonizing India.
So surprising. Oh my God.
Oregon. 250,000 kilometers. Oh, wow.
They're so in proper shapes, huh?
Nevada. This list is crazy.
It seems like America has some cake and these are like the pieces of it, you know?
Actually, I don't know what will be the next state.
Arizona. New Mexico.
It's big. Even Italy.
Oh.
Italy is big. Rome and everything.
It is like huge.
Wow. California, 4 lakh kilometers square.
Bigger than
Spain.
Oh.
Wow. Madrid, Barcelona, and all these Spanish cities. And Spain is very big, very beautiful roads. I heard a lot about it, and it is smaller than Texas.
I mean,
Oh
like,
my God.
seriously, this is so surprising. You know, we used to think that it is like something else, it's huge, there is some another world. But it's when you're comparing, you know, these countries with the states, it's so surprising, like how smaller they are.
I'm actually very shocked because if you imagine the US map, then Texas is that just small part. Like if you imagine the whole map, and now Spain comes here and it is that part. My God, it is. It just shows how big USA is. So now they also have all 49 states also. Very crazy. Texas, 7 lakh kilometers square.
Huge.
My God.
And we have
Saudi or Iran. Iran is big. Oh, come on. What is bigger than Iran? Alaska. Alaska is that big?
Oh my
Why did
God.
Russia sell to USA?
God, this
Oh
is
my
crazy.
God. Russia is stupid. Actually, why did Russia sell this big of a land to USA? I thought that I knew that Alaska is a big state, but not that big. I thought, okay, it is somewhere near Canada. It's okay, one of the small places. Because when you see with Canada, it does not look that big. But now imagining that it is even bigger than the whole state of Iran. Oh my God, because Iran is very, very big. You see, when you go to Asia, you go India, Pakistan, Iraq, Iran, it's very, very big. But this whole video was actually mind blowing.
I really like the whole, you know, presentation because how they were comparing the things. And you know, I'm so surprised and I'm so glad that we watched this video because you know, we didn't know that we used to consider, okay, this is the USA, this is Spain, this is that, this is this. But we have never ever thought that, you know, you take out some state out of it and then you just compare with some country, it's going to be like even the states are the bigger ones. This is so shocking.
And on the maps also, like if you see USA, it does not look that big.
That big, yeah.
Okay, like every other these big countries can come inside it. So it was a crazy video to watch. So what do you guys think about it? Do let us know in the comment section below. So do like, share, and
Subscribe.
bye.